biggest problem I keep having with these earrings is trying to get them to like lie straight, but I mean, who's straight anymore anyway? Hey everyone, it's LDP, and everything's kind of terrible in the world. We're still in a global pandemic. Yeah, just lots of really bad things mostly. I decided I wanted to make something quick and simple and easy that I think just about anyone could do. And I had some pom-poms lying around and I decided to make these little smiley face earrings. They're so silly and I just really love the way they turned out. They make me so happy and I hope they make you happy too, and that this brings you some little bit of joy in the impending dread of the entire world right now. Anyway, let's go ahead and make some earrings. Start by pushing a head pin through the pom-pom. You'll be able to find head pins at most jewelry and craft stores as they're commonly used in jewelry making. Repeat this for the second pom-pom so that you have two impaled fuzzy blobs. Using a pair of pliers, grab the pin at the top of the pom-pom and turn it at a 90-degree angle. Cut off some of the sticky outy bit of the pin so that you only have about 1.5 centimeters sticking out from the pom-pom. Grab the end of the pin with your pliers and roll it in towards the pom-pom to create a small loop. Repeat this on the second pom-pom. Next, I cut out some eyes and mouths from a thin black vinyl fabric, but you could use felt or anything that won't fray, even just some thin black cardboard if that's all you have. I used some tacky glue to carefully stick on the eyes and mouth of each smiley face, and then set them aside to dry. Once both faces were completely dry, it's time to assemble the earrings. You can get creative with these if you want and add them to just a hook or even add some other beads. I chose to hang my little smiley faces from short pieces of leftover chain that I had lying around. To do this, I took a small jump ring and added the end of the chain to it, and then added the smiley face to the jump ring too. I then closed the jump ring by twisting it shut with my pliers. I then added another jump ring to the other side of the chain and added the earring hook to this jump ring. Once I closed this jump ring, the first earring is complete. Repeat this process on your second earring and your smiley face earrings are ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was just a little one, but it made me really happy and I hope it brought some joy to you too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me make next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!